Lost your key fob or need to add a spare for your 2018-2020 Chevy Traverse? You can program it yourself. This method works by cycling the ignition to enter programming mode, then pairing the new fob. First, ensure all doors are closed and no keys are in the ignition. Insert a working, programmed key and turn the ignition to on, not start, then back to off 10 times in quick succession within 10 seconds. The vehicle may chirp or flash lights to indicate programming mode is active. Remove the programmed key and quickly insert the new, unprogrammed fob. Turn the ignition to on and then back to off to program the new fob. Repeat this step for any additional fobs you want to pair, up to a maximum of 8. Finally, test the new fob by trying the lock-unlock and start functions. It's that simple and can save you money. Note this method is model-specific. 2018 to 2020 Traverses, share it with other GM vehicles like the Equinox or Tahoe, but always verify via the owner's manual. While DIY programming is generally successful, be aware of potential pitfalls. Incorrect sequencing can trigger the anti-theft system. Ensure the fob is within 3 to 5 feet of the vehicle during programming. If the process fails, you might need an OBD2 scanner to clear error codes like B3955. Many failures result from a weak or dead vehicle battery. Ensure your battery is fully charged before attempting to program a key fob. Consider getting a professional diagnostic check if you're unsure. Aftermarket fobs can have compatibility issues, so OEM fobs are recommended. Remember, while DIY is possible, errors could void warranties on models with OnStar-linked security. If unsuccessful, consulting a professional technician is advisable. Remember to verify via the owner's manual.